Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to wrap about the region in here. So the wrap should be like this. We have the vertex of the triangle at the location 0, 0. So location number 1, that's it in here. The location number 2, negative number 2, positive number 4, that should be in here. So the point we need to connect. Location number 3, 8, 4, that should be in here. Now we connect about 3 vertices and we just create the triangle. So if we look carefully about these double integrals, we got about e to the power of y squared plus 1 dA. So in this situation, we need to create only dx dy. Why? Because we have y squared. If we put about dy dx, so we need to do about integration of this one, but we don't have the formula to do about e to the power of y squared, so we cannot put about dy in the first one. So that's why we need to choose about dx dy. Now we have the triangle and the region we need to concentrate, that should be in the green one in here. So the first step, we need to find the equation of this line and this line. So we know that this is about y equals to ax plus b. So we have 2 points in here. So the first one and the second one. So we put about s equal to 0, y equal to 0, go to this equation in here. So you got about 0, 0. So we can find about b equals to number 0. Now the second one, we have s equals to negative number 2, y equals to number 4. So we put negative number 2 go in here and positive number 4 go in here. So you got about 4 equals to negative number 2, 8. So we can find about 8 equals to 4 divided to negative number 2, and you got about negative number 2. So we have b, we have 8, and we can find the line of this one, that's about y equal to negative 2x. Now we do similar for this one. Now we just change negative number 2 into number 8. So this one we change for 8. So 4 divided by 8, you will got about 1 over 2. So the formula of the second line in here, that's about y, or I write this one, y equals to 1 over 2x. So we just find the formula of the line in here. Now the next step, we need to find the bounds of the s. That's about this one. So we see that we have y equals to negative 2x. So that we can find about s, we divide both sides of negative number 2. And the second one, we have y equals to 1 over 2x. So we multiply both sides of number 2, you got about 2y equals to s. Now, if we look on the graph, we see that this line in here is above this line in here. So the first bound of the s that's about y over negative number 2 to 2y. And the next one, that's about dy, the bounds of dy. We see that dy, that's about this one. So this is about dy. We see that we start up number 4 or number 0 and we stop at number 4. So the bounds of dy, that's from 0 to number 4. And now we need to calculate about these double integrals. So we don't have s, so that means we will got about e to the power of y squared minus 1. And we have s in here. After we do about integration, and we have the bounds from y over negative number 2 to 2y. And we have dy, because we just do ds, now that's about dy. So we put 2y go in here, y over negative number 2 go in here, and now we will got like this. And that's about 2y minus of negative y over 2. And we have dy. So we simplify this one. And we got about 5y over 2. Now, the next one we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equal to y squared minus 1. Sorry, this is about positive number 1 because on the question. So we have y squared plus 1. And if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to 2y dy. So because we don't have number 2, we divide both sides of number 2. And then we need to change the bounds. So when y equals to number 0, so we put number 0 going here. So we put number 0 going here, and we can find about the value of u. And u equals to number 1. When y equals to number 4, so we put number 4 go in here, and you got about 17, because 4 to the power of 2 you got about 16, 16 plus 1 you got about 17. So that the new bounds that should be from number 1 to number 17. Y squared plus 1 we change for u, The next one, that's about y dy. So we have y dy in here. We change for du over 2, and we got about 5 over 2, and we have du over 2, and then we got about 5 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, you got about 5 over 4, and we have the integral from number 1 to number 17 e to the power of u du, and we got the final answer. So we put 17 gone here, number 1 gone here, and this is the final answer.